Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Catalina Expedition 192 FQS. So as you can see, we got the metal and corrugated metal on the side, which is really good, easily replaceable, and very durable. We got the fiberglass on the top right here, and then we also have the window in the front so you can see it from the bedroom. Really, really nice. This trailer is probably really good for dry camping and probably for the couples out there that are also just getting started as well with RVing. We also got our pass-through storage right here. Take a look under there. Quite nice. We got our power awning here with the LED lights so you can definitely see in the night. Speakers on the outside, really awesome. You can also use, you can bring your dog along. There's a place where you can actually leave them and tie them up right here and hang out. Another thing that's really cool about this trailer is it's got a ladder to access the roof, which is really, really cool. And you even have some more storage right here on the tailgate here if you wanted to bring any type of coolers or any other things that you want to bring dry camping with you. Simple storage right there too. Come on inside the coach. Right to your left is just your kitchen, your refrigerator, as well as the microwave. Very simple trailer and your controls. As you come in, this is a really simple trailer. Like I said, it's used for dry camping or anything you really want for it. Lots and lots of counter space here. I like how it's just also very narrow. Like this is all counter. Then you have ample storage on top. 3 cupboards worth. You have an AC unit, which is both for heating and cooling. You also have your TV here on the side that you can swivel. Quite nice. You also got your 3-burner stove, typical right here, as well as your oven. And just, if you look down here, just more storage everywhere. Pots and pans. Everything's very simple. The drawers are long and wide. You also have this couch here, which does convert into a sleeping space as well. So you can also host a couple guests here if you want. And then very easy to just put away. Just that simple. Very easy. More storage on the top here. This does come on one slide out here. It's only one slide out on this trailer. We also have this freestanding table so you can put it anywhere you want, anywhere. We got our queen size bed, as well as more storage on the top, really deep down there, or up there rather. There's 4 of those up there, and I even saw this as well. If you come right over here, there's even more storage under there. Man, just screams more storage. Very simple, but like very functional. And as we go right here to the left, you can all see the bathroom. I love the size of the bathroom in this small trailer here. You can walk on in, super simple, easy. Got a couple of natural light in there with the sunlight. And then there's a fantastic fan up there as well. Nice sink and more storage on the bottom. And as we go right over here, also just naturally lit in here. There's a lot of just windows. You know, you can still, while you're taking it camping, you can still see out in nature, and you even have access to your pass-through, or not pass-through, but just more storage on the bottom of the bed. Yeah, so if this is a trailer for you, would really love for you to come on in and just ask for my help. My name is KyLudwig. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and give me a call, 541-799-8794. Thanks, guys.